Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Romi, and if you're new, welcome. So before I begin my video today, I just would like to share with you that when I was recording my video, nothing got recorded and I'm having to do a voiceover. And I do apologize, I'm very sorry. Please bear with me. Today's video is about how I organize my makeup using my makeup organizer that I ordered from Amazon and just a couple of candle jars that I will be reusing. If you'd like to learn how to wash out and clean out your candle jars, then please go watch my DIY candle video for some tips and tricks. Let's get started! So this is the makeup organizer that I ordered from Amazon. It's not too big, it's not too small. You know, I don't have a lot of makeup, but I feel like my makeup collection is getting larger, so I thought it was time to invest in a makeup organizer. For now, this is okay for me. It's got 4 large drawers and 2 smaller ones. And so this is what some of my candle jars look like. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm only going to use the ones that are actually a decent size and able to actually store stuff. I actually really like the ones from Bath & Body Works. So here are some samples that I've collected over the last couple of months. I literally have samples stored in boxes, old Sephora bags, pouches, makeup bags, and honestly, God knows where, but I have so many samples, and today I'm literally going to take the time and organize them all and place them all together in one candle jar if I can fit them all. Let's do this. I also have a million perfume samples that I've collected over the years, and honestly sometimes I get them and I forget to use them. So I'm just going to take a bunch because I have them also stored all over the place. So I'm just going to take them all and store them in one of my candle jars. I used this little jar to organize my eyelash curler and some sponges that I use on a daily basis, and I really should wash them, it looks like. A friend of mine gave me this box a while ago, and I've been using it to store all my lipsticks and lip liners and honestly anything that goes on the lips. I was using a candle holder to hold all my makeup brushes, but I'm going to just transfer them all over to a larger candle jar. The first 2 drawers are eyeshadow palettes. They're pretty big, they're a decent size. They can store like a good sized makeup palette. They can't store a Morphe palette. I tried to store one because I have one and I couldn't fit it, so that's why it is in here. But yeah, and then here I keep all my concealer, contour. Here I keep all my bronzers, blushes, and highlighter goodies. I keep my eyelash or my mascara and eyeliner in here, and this is sort of just like everyday use stuff except for the lashes. I have like my daily lipsticks, my sharpener, some Vaseline, etc. In this little jar I have all my samples, my eyelash curler, and my beauty sponges and tweezers. This little thing, Q-tips. I'm using this to store my makeup brushes, and this last one to store all my fragrance samples. If you're someone who's trying to grow your collection of makeup, I definitely recommend getting a makeup organizer because it really helps to organize and categorize like your drawers and stuff, and that way you know exactly where to look for what you need. This is what works for me. It doesn't necessarily have to work for you. Maybe you don't want to organize your makeup. That's totally up to you. Suggestions, feedback, please comment below and let me know. I'd be more than happy to read anything you have to say. Thank you. I've been very chatty. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye guys!